Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Happy Halloween if you're watching this on the day that it goes live. I am in my costume, minus the hat, but I feel ridiculous wearing it because you can't even see the full effect. Today we're going to talk about the Cup subscription box from Build-A-Bear. If you're new here, I do videos on Squishmallows, Squishables, Build-A-Bear, Loungefly, basically anything that I think is cute. So this is a subscription service that I've been a part of since the summertime, and the only reason I did it again was because I wanted the Halloween one. I wanted to see how cute it is. I'm probably going to cancel after the holidays, but this is a seasonal subscription box, kind of geared more towards children, and you're going to see that reflected in some of the items in today's box, as well as the previous one, which was their summer one, and it had a very cute axolotl. That's originally why I signed up for it. So we're gonna just jump right into it. Anything that is not suited for me, I'm probably going to give away, just like I did with the previous box. So the box is a really pretty purple, and it has some crystals, some moons, some little potions and stuff. I really like it. I think it's adorable. I love the theme of it. Obviously it fits perfectly with Halloween. Last time I left the stuffed animal for last, but this time we're gonna open it straight away. So this is a cat. It has a very interesting fur finish. Not as soft as the other one from last month, but this is a black kitty cat. I really thought it was a bear for a second. So it has the purple nose. It has blue rimmed eyes. It has a cute little heart that features the same kind of spell jar design as the outside of the box. And then the ears have the same lining. So it's very cohesive. It's very cute. This is perfect for kids because obviously you get a new stuffed animal every season, but also you usually get some matching apparel with it. I actually remember back in the day when this subscription box first came out that children also received an apparel piece so they can match with the actual bear itself, and they ended up phasing that out for whatever reason. But this is adorable. It's a cute cat. It is still pretty soft. It's just a different kind of fur than the other one from last box, which was the axolotl. So the next product included are glow-in-the-dark stickers that you could put on your ceiling and on your wall. I have had these before in my old house. I recently moved after 11 years, and this brings back a lot of memories. I just want to read what the little booklet says about these stickers. It says glow-in-the-dark vinyl stickers to make your room look like a starry night. So it's cute, and they are shaped. Oh, I see. I thought they were going to be shaped like moons and stars because that's what I'm most familiar with, but I guess to fit the theme of the box, these are shaped as stars, as little paw prints similar to the Build-A-Bear logo itself. So that's still pretty cute. I do love a good glow-in-the-dark item. Some of my Squishmallow actually glow in the dark, and I'm not even sure. I don't think that was intentional feature that was advertised, but some of them are just really bright colors, like this one right here. And it glows in the dark when I'm like turning everything off. Alright, so here's the matching apparel piece for the bear. It's a cute little shirt, and it says believe in meow-gic. Magic, like magic, but meow. It's pretty cute. It's cute. It's simple. It's a vibrant purple with the little spell jars and everything. It's a plush tee, as you can see right there. Matching artwork. Very cute. I'm just going to put it on the kitty cat and see. I got to think of a name for her because I don't know. I always don't think of names until I am looking at other people's bears and they are being named, and I'm like, oh, cute. I want to see what the winter one is. Like I said, probably gonna cancel these just because it's not really meant for me, but it's cute, and I think anyone can enjoy stuffed animals at any age. Okay, next one I'm not gonna open. These are compressed washcloths, and this brings back memories because when I was a child, Old Navy sold some Hello Kitty version of this, or some kind of animated series, I don't remember, but it expands in water. So you put it in water and it just unfolds itself, and it's cute. It's kind of magical, so I kind of understand why this would be included. Sorry, there's an airplane flying by. I'm filming a little bit later than normal, so I'm dealing with more airplanes and kids and people outside. But look at this washcloth. It expands. I think it's fun. It's sweet. I might give this one away. But again, you can see it's the exact same pattern as the box, as the artwork. I love it. It all matches. It's nice. Next thing we have is a glow-in-the-dark squishy. And this is one of those, I mean, obviously it's in the name. Like, you just like squeeze it. And I hear it's good for like stress relief. So, or like a good fidget type of item. Probably keep this one for myself. Oh, okay, yeah. So it features the Build-A-Bear logo in like this kind of like puke green and yellow. But it's fun. I never owned one of these before, but I kind of like it. And this might serve well when I'm on the computer, because sometimes I'm on the computer and I pick at my nails and I don't even bite them, but I kind of mess them up. So maybe this will help me out a little bit when I get anxious. but it's cute. All right, we're down to the last item. There is a culturefly little paper flyer thing. Culturefly is the owner or like the distributor, the creator of these boxes. I can't think of the proper term right now. They also do Pusheen box. I have reviewed Pusheen box for the past 6 to 7 years, and I uploaded one yesterday because it is also like Halloween themed and I didn't want to miss out. But let's open up this item. This is a glow in the dark doodle pillow case. I'm sorry, I was not saying that properly. Really cute. So it's a pillowcase that has kind of like that transparent window where you can write on it with the marker. So we're gonna test it out. I'm just gonna open it. Should I open it or should I give this away? I'm gonna open it, and if I don't want it, I feel like it's still good to give away, even if it's been opened. So here's the pillowcase. Here's the pen, which looks interesting. It's cute. I've never had a pillowcase that I could write things on. Oh, it's a decent size. It's a real pillowcase. I thought it was going to be kind of small. Here it is. Here's that window I was talking about. And you could write on it. But it has like, I thought it was going to be like a slippery or like a whiteboard type of material. Hold on. I got to read about this because I'm confused but pleasantly surprised. Okay, it says nothing about it. Cool. So I guess it's just literally you throw it in the wash and it comes off. But also, oh, well, yeah, it would still come off, but there's a light here. That makes sense. So you're writing it. I don't really have anywhere to lay this on. I'm just gonna draw a heart on it on one of the sides, and then we'll turn on the light and see if anything happens. So I have to turn off all these lights because it's really sunny in here, and my curtains do not take away anything. Oh no, okay, so this is what it looks like, and then when I light the light on it, of course this is not showing up on camera, you guys. Okay, this tripod is on its last leg, literally and also figuratively, so I'm gonna have to just insert a clip of me showing you, but basically it's like a glow in the dark thing. How do I turn this off? It just glows in the dark. It's cute. It's like the secret messages kind of thing from back in the day where you would write messages with special ink and then you go over it with a light or something. It's cute. I like it. I might not keep it, but honestly this box was adorable. This cat was cute. My tripod is killing me right now, so I'm trying to get through this video and it's very hard, but this kitty cat, so cute. The box is fun. I kind of like some of these items a little bit more than last times because last times it was items that I really couldn't use, but this is fun. Let me know if you have the cup subscription for your kids or for yourself or anything like that. Build-A-Bear is coming out with a lot of things, and unfortunately, because I recently got a tattoo, if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen it, but I have been very low on money. Rent, bills, it all hits at the same time, so I haven't been able to get any of the holiday stuff that I really want, other than the Jolly Frog, which I have a review for already if you're curious, but I promise there'll be more content coming. Let me know if you have any requests down below, and until next time, bye.